The assembly requirements in the new energy electric control industry involve technology, safety, and environmental compliance, demanding strict adherence to standards. Errors during assembly risk costly consequences and safety hazards. For instance, neglecting anti-static tools, allowing screws to fall onto circuit boards, or using dusty screws can cause short circuits. Replacing damaged PCBA boards or housings incurs material costs, plus additional post-assembly inspection and scrapping expenses, alongside indirect costs from production delays. 3 preventive measures include Litex anti-static tools, screw cleaner and automatic screw feeding, vacuum suction removes screw surface dust, quantity control, preventing screws from falling into products via guided procedures, positioning force arms, and automated screw feeding systems. Scan the QR code on the screen to contact us.